I just found 2 new AI tools that can generate full PowerPoint presentations in just a few seconds. These tools are free to use, and I'll talk about some of their limitations later in this video. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to subscribe and let's dive right into it. The first tool is called Gamma AI, so just search up Gamma AI, although all the links will be in the description below. So once you're in the website, make sure to sign up. So just click on sign up for free, and then I just use Google account. So once you sign up, you will see this page, create with AI. So I can either paste in some text to start, import some file or some existing web pages or URL, or I can just use a prompt or topic to generate all the slides from scratch. So that's what I'm going to use today. So I just click on it. So you can choose presentation, web page, or document, and this is how many slides you want. For now, we can choose up to 10 cards or 10 slides for free, and then after that we need the premium version. So let's say I want 10 cards, and then you have the default view, traditional view, or tall view. So this is just different layouts of your slides, and then these are some of the example prompts if you want to try it out. But let's say I want to make a slides about social media impact on kids. Generate the outline first. It will generate a simple title outline. So this is all the title of each slide. So this is the first slide, second slide, third slide. After that, they will generate more content. So we need to make sure that the title slide is correct first. So for example, this is the title slide, and then this is another title for the second slide, and then we can rearrange it if you want. So let's say I want positive impacts first, and then I rearrange it like that. Or let's say I want my 10th slide to be the conclusion, so I just like that. And if you want to delete, just delete the card. And then I can also set the content. So amount of text, whether you just want brief, short content, or do you want highly detailed. For me, I would just put medium, a few paragraphs, and then you can choose image source as well. So AI images will create AI images based on the content of your slide. Later I'll show you what it means. Select by yourself, use some stock photos. I believe this is premium, and then let's go with AI images for now. And you can see what models it's using. So this is just different kind of models that you can play with, and then you can describe what kind of images you want. So I can just say, if you want to continue from this step on, it will cost you 40 credits. Over here you can select the theme. So right now this is the theme preview. This is just an example. Now you can go with this one. This looks quite nice. A little bit of gradient. Yeah, let's go with this. Just click on generate after you choose your theme, and then it will take some time to generate. Yeah, you can see it generate immediately for you. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Really beautiful presentation, as you can see how they present their content, and to make sure it is so nice, so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, not bad. So positive impacts, fostering diversity and inclusion. Yeah, you know this is AI generated when you see 3 arms on the same picture. Yeah, so this is a bit of a mistake. So if you want to remove it, you can just remove the image. As you can see, all this will take a lot of work if you do it manually. So if you want to change something, edit with AI or something, it will cost some credits. So each of them will cost 5 credits. You can even manually create a new card and then start generating your content with AI. And then there's also further customization at the right hand side. So these are smart layouts, so you can put your content into different blocks or different icons. So if you drag, you can see what I mean. So it makes things really simple. It gives you a good base for you to change and customize whatever you want. So if you click present, then it will enter into present mode. So if you click on your arrow keys, you can see how it goes to different slides. You can also easily just export it by just clicking share and then go to export, and then you can either export it to PDF, PowerPoint, or PNG. So let's say if I want to export it as a PDF. So exporting doesn't cost credits, so you can export how many times you want. So let's say if I export through PDF, as you can see, this is how it looks like. And then if you want to edit it in PDF or exporting in PDF, just here you go, enable editing so that you can change it now. The only problem is there's this watermark you need to beware of, so you can't remove this watermark made with Gamma watermark. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks, really professional, and you can create this in just a few seconds, less than 1 minute I believe. So far this is the best tool I've seen in terms of professional PowerPoint creation. Just make sure to check your content to see if it's accurate and change it if you want. So if you look at the pricing, the free one is really generous, give you 400 AI credits. If you don't use any other features, basically 400 AI credits will get you almost 10 presentations. If you use my link, you get 200 credits extra. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Gamma AI to make this video. I'm just introducing it to you guys, and my referral link is able to get you 200 credit extra, and I think it will be good for you guys to get more credits if you sign up. So the free one gets you basic AI image generation, generate only up to 10 cards, but the free version, the features are really generous. Yeah, if you need to create more presentations, just create a new email and then just sign up again. Okay, the next AI presentation tool I want to introduce is page.self.team. So this is a really new tool, I think just released not too long ago. They might charge you in the future, but for now it is still free. What you need to type is the project name, details and purpose so that they can create the slides that you need. So if you already have all the details and the purpose of your presentation, you can type it out. But for me, I like to go to ChatGPT and ask for some help. So for example, I just say, can you fill up this to be pasted on a presentation generator tool? So I give it a title, social media impact on society, and I ask it to give it the project name, details, and purpose. So basically the title is the project name, but we'll see. It already gives me some of the details and the purpose. So we are going to just copy it. So okay, then we just click on this right hand side, this small little icon to generate it. Click on it, very simple. So for now you can only generate really basic slides, and also they include images for you. These images are not AI generated, so it looks pretty realistic. I think they got it from stock photos from the internet. It's not as beautiful as Gamma AI, let's be honest, but you get a really quick presentation in just a few seconds, and it can go up to 14 cards. As you can see, you can generate 14 slides at once, and you can definitely also regenerate if you want, or download into PowerPoint, all entirely for free. So if you want to enhance it, go to Home tab and go to Designer, and something like this will pop out. So this is PowerPoint's inbuilt AI designing tool. So just modify a bit and it will look more professional and more beautiful, as you can see. So I think the content is still really long, so make sure to just separate it or reduce some of the content. So there you go, you got a really nice presentation from scratch in just a few seconds. So you just gotta modify a bit. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm JJ, and on this channel I share practical ways that you can use AI to boost your productivity, save time, and have some fun along the way. So make sure to comment and subscribe for more videos. And if you want to support me, I have a Patreon link down in the description where you can get early access to all my videos, also ad-free. So keep practicing, keep trying, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.